Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a logo in Gemini. So to create a logo, describe your brand style. This tool is powered by the Imagine family or models which follow specific stylistic instructions. So include these elements into your prompt. So what is the main icon? Then we have a style. So let's say minimalist vector, 3D render, some mascot lettermark, the vibe color palette, so professional navy and gold, vibrant neon, soft pastel, so however you like. Let's say wizard, how, something like that, and click submit. Now it will take a while to make it. So if the first set of logo isn't perfect, use follow-up prompts to change them. So you can hit something like that. Keep the icon but change the font to a bold sans service. Make a gold parts more of a rose gold. And we can also remove the small details to make it look cleaner and favicon, so something like that, and submit. You can also explore different concept for the same brand. You type something like, give me 3 different logo concepts for a bakery, 1 vintage bedded style, 1 minimalist line art style, and 1 cute mascot style. You can also import limitation. So AI can still struggle with complex spelling in images. If the text is wrong, you can use the in-painting pencil tool to highlight some text and ask this tool to fix the spelling to a word which you like. So as you can see right here, we have a perfectly created logo. So it looks really cool. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the